This 2019 Jayco White Hawk 32 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, Colorado Detector, external shower, air conditioning, awning, leveling jacks, skylight, stovetop burner, water heater, slide-out, auxiliary battery, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco White Hawk 32 BHS is 7,575 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.